And it's going to go fast down the hill this time.
I stayed straight that time, Mommy.
Uh-huh.
Look at my snow angel.
I see it.
Now, Mama, will you please do it? Will you please do it now, Mommy?
Do what?
Slide a little fast.
You just want to see my big butt roll off, don't you?
No.
Yes.
No, here, let me do it.
Let you do what?
Videotape you. You know you want to anyway. Here, I'll put this right here.
You better hurry up. I don't know how long it videos.
Okay, now here's Mommy. She's
What are you going to do with this?
She's putting on her stuff, and she's getting ready to go sleigh ride down the hill. Now let's see how fast she can go. She's getting ready at the top of the hill. No, you gotta fold it up.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do, or you can't go fast.
It won't work for me, Tan. I'm too big.
Alright, let's just see how Mommy goes. Woohoo! Now, what do you think about that?
Now, are you happy?
Yep. Alright, now here's Mommy after she got done sleigh riding.